Building a team can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. Here are three proven ways to make it easier. First, describe your hiring process clearly from identifying the need for a new team member to successful onboarding. Make sure each step is laid out. This clarity streamlines the process and ensures everyone involved understanding their role. Second, develop a targeted recruitment strategy. Don't just cast a wide net, make your effort specific. Optimize job descriptions, use social media, and don't shy away from reaching out to passive candidates. Thirdly, nurture talent pipelines. Building a relationship with potential candidates before you even need them can be a game changer. Invest in building a talent pool by attending events, engaging professional networks, and keeping potential candidates warm. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Bye bye.